Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to deliver alcohol with Doordash. Start by opening your Doordash driver app. Go to the Settings or Preferences section. Look for the option that says Alcohol Delivery. Turn this option on so you can receive orders that include alcohol. After enabling this feature, the app will ask you to verify your age. You will need to upload your government-issued identification. This can be a passport, driver's license, or any valid ID. Make sure the image is clear and all details are visible. The system will check that you are at least 21 years old. Once your documents are approved, you will be eligible to receive alcohol delivery orders. When you start getting these orders, accept them like normal deliveries. Go to the store or merchant location and pick up the items. At the store, the staff may ask you to show your ID. Always carry your government ID with you so you can prove your age if needed. Once you arrive at the customer's location, do not just hand over the order. You must verify the customer's age. Use the app to scan the customer's ID. Make sure the ID is valid and not expired. Check that the person receiving the order matches the ID. After scanning, ask the customer to provide a signature in the app. This confirms that the delivery was completed properly. If the ID cannot be verified, do not hand over the alcohol and follow the app instructions. Thanks for watching.